Okay, we got the machine cleaned up with the other pressure washer, hot water. Got a lot of the grease and gunk and stuff off of it, so. And we got everything mounted on the new pump. So, we're going to get it back in place here. Okay, we got the pump on there. Now I'm just putting in the mounting bolts, bolting it to the frame. I've got it adjusted back and forth about exactly where the old one was, so the belts should be the right tension and everything. So I'm just going to get these bolts, these 4 bolts, put back in the frame, get this thing secure, and then we'll put it all back together. I mean, you guys watch me take it apart, so you pretty much know from here how to put it back together, so shouldn't be too difficult. Okay, so I got the pump back on here, got the mounting bolts, 4 bolts back in the bottom of the frame to those frame rails on the pump. I left them a little loose until I figured out where the pump needed to be, so the belts have decent tension on them. And now I'm going to go ahead and snug them down all the way. Now that I got this back on, that slipped right on. I put the 3 bolts back in it. So just a matter of snugging these bolts up on the frame, putting the cover back on it, and putting it back on the trailer and hooking the hoses back up to it. Should be good to go. So if you guys have any questions about how to do this, comment below and I'll try to help you out.